guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be looking at this filter pandemic in China. Like, I feel like Chinese people have their own world, like they have their own universe, and a lot of things are done differently here in China. Filter is something that has become part of our world today. Even as I'm filming with you, I'm using filter, though the filter did not like exactly change my look totally, but it changed like my background. Like, it gave me a certain look that enhanced the way I look, right? Like certain color that enhanced the way I look. I see a lot of that in every other social media, but when you are talking about filter in China, we are like, you're diving deep into another kind of universe. Like, you can see very old woman that will use filter, like she'll be unrecognizable. So let's go and see some of these filters, and if you enjoyed this video, follow me for more content like this. Let's go. I want to know what you think in the comment section. I feel like filter has become something that a lot of us cannot do without. I don't even think if I can show my face on social media without using filter. Maybe, yeah, maybe if I finish treating my acne, I can show my face. Or yes, or maybe if I get plastic surgery, I can show my face. But I feel like um the one in China is different. Like the one in China hits on a different level. Like it hits on a different level. And also, did you see they have like they have, yes, they have levels to it. They have level one, which look like this kind one I am using, like something that just smoothing out your face a bit and make your face look like subtle. Then they have the one that will make your face look still smoothing out and still subtle but like intense way. They have another one that still smoothing out your face but now changing your face to another thing. They have the ones that will make your face look like another person, look like a total different person. So I feel like there's a tune to it, so anyone you want you use. Also they have their own is so very much emphasized on skin color. You see, each time they change is always this white cast on their skin. Somebody that will look not that white, if they transform they will have something that seem like a white cast on their skin. There was a day I was filming some pack. Do you know that I filmed that pack and I never uploaded that video? I filmed that pack last year. When I was filming that pack, there are a lot of tourists there, Chinese tourists there, and one woman saw me and she said that she wants to take videos with me. Immediately I get into her video, the filter she was using just made me a total person. You know that I'm a black person, so that filter always do not blend with black skin. This is also the reason why when you see black people shooting with Chinese people, once they turn on that filter, the black person will just look somehow, look crazy. That was the feeling I got. Immediately I got to her, like I look totally crazy. I be like, what is this? Like the white cast on my skin does not look okay because it did not blend. Maybe if there's one they make for people like me, it will blend, but standing with that shiny, no, it did not blend. My face looked oddly different and weird. Guys, I want to know what you think in the comment section. I just want you to know, like, it's not a Chinese thing, it's everywhere. Like filter using is everywhere, but I feel like it is very different in China. Also, somebody that went to Korea, that used Korea TikTok, also said that the kind of filter in Korea hits different from the filter of TikTok in outside of Korea. Also, their men are also using these filters a lot. Like all their men that make content are also using this filter. Even outside of China, I think most men, not all men, most men use filter. Even if they produce phone, they also put inbuilt of filter there. Filter is so very heavy in China. But guys, I want to know what you think in the comment section. Be sure you subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and family. Let me see you in my other one.